Now I discuss another important point is wave front. Next I discuss another more important topic is wave front. Wave front. Now I discuss wave front. What is the meaning of wave front? For example, I take point source. Point source best example is in our houses 60 watt bulb or 100 watt bulb. గుండ్రంగా ఉంటుంది చూడండి బల్బ్ అది. In this situation, this considered as a 60 watt bulb or 100 watt bulb considered as a point source. What is the use of bulb? To illuminate the light in all directions. Look here, all of you. What is the use of bulb? To illuminate the light in all directions. Look here. For example, after t seconds, light travel here to here. The distance is c into t. Simply, distance definition is velocity into time. Here also c into t, c into t. Once again I repeat, what is the use of point source? To illuminate the light. Light propagated in the form of straight lines in all directions. Distance, same time the light travels same distance. Here, same time light travel same distance. These points same distance. After t seconds light is here, after t seconds light is here, after t seconds light is here, after t seconds light is here. Same time it travel a same distance. Here none distance. In the physics, the relation between phase difference and path difference, 2 pi by lambda into x. Phi indicate phase difference, x indicate path difference. Here to here distance, here to here distance, here to here distance, here to here distance. Distance is same, phase also same. Simply this point, this point, this point, this point, all points which are in the same phase. These same phase points are joined. In the mathematics B, this is called locus. In the mathematics B, this is called locus. Locus of all points which are in the same phase. Locus of all points which are in the same phase. This is called wave front. Once again I repeat, what is the wave front? Wave front meaning is, look here all of you, locus means ఈ points ni join cheyadame. Locus of all points which are in the same phase. Simply same phase ఉన్న అన్ని particles ని అన్ని points ని join చేశాను. Join చేస్తే this sphere is called what nana? Wave front. What is the meaning of wave front? Wave front meaning is locus of all points which are in the same phase. Locus of all points which are in the same phase. This locus is called wavefront. Wavefront is called primary wavefront. Locus of all points which are in the same phase. Simply, in the same phase, all points are joined. Okay, this total is called wavefront. Wavefront. In the situation, this is called primary wavefront. On the primary wavefront, each point acts as a secondary source. This is the primary source. This is the secondary source. Each point on the wavefront, each point on the wavefront acts as a secondary source and emit the light in all directions. Look here now. So that's why after some time, next another wavefront is formed. This wavefront is called secondary wavefront. Nana, in the secondary wavefront, each point acts as a source and emit the light in all directions. Simply another wavefront is formed. Another wavefront is what, Nana? Formed. Simply, its meaning is source emit the light, it wavefront moves in the forward direction, never return back. What is the wavefront? Wavefront means locus of all points which are in the same phase. Here, in the situation, each point on the wavefront acts as a source and emit a light. That's why another wavefront is formed. These wavefronts moves in the forward direction and never returns back. Very important notice. And again, look here now. This is called what? Wavefront. Here, this is the ray. That means light ray. Here, light ray and wavefront both are what? Perpendicular. Simply, then another important notice is wavefront. Yes. This is the wavefront. Wavefront and light ray. What happens? Both are perpendicular. Wavefront and light ray always perpendicular to each other. Wavefront and light ray always perpendicular to each other. Okay, Nana? Next, Nana. Prove Snell's law by using wavefront. This is important. 8 marks question. Nana, proof of Snell's law. Proofs of Snell's law by using wavefront. For example, this is the surface, Nana. Look here, all of you. What is the use of surface in the optics? Separate the two mediums. Here, upper medium, its refractive index is mu1. Here, lower medium, its refractive index is mu2. This is the normal, Nana. Look here. Here, light ray fall. Here, angle of incidence is I. I take parallel beam. Parallel beam means parallel rays. Here, Nana. Here, light coming one medium to other medium bends. This is the situation. Here also bends. This is the situation. Angle of incidence I, angle of refraction R. Light propagated one medium to other medium. Angle of incidence is I, angle of refraction is R. Okay, Nana? This is the ray, this is the ray. We know that in the previous concept, wavefront and ray mutually perpendicular. Simply look here. Look here now. In the situation ray and wavefront, this is called wavefront. Look here, all of you. Wavefront and ray mutually perpendicular. Simply, this is the ray, this is the wavefront. This is called incident wavefront. Both are perpendicular. In the situation, angle between these is 90 degrees. This is I. The remaining is, look here Nana, 90 minus I. Because ray and wavefront perpendicular. Here in the situation, this is I. Because this is x-axis, this is y-axis, mutually perpendicular. Here now, this is I. In the situation, look here, this is another wavefront. This is refracted wavefront or wavefront. Wavefront always perpendicular to ray. This is R. Look here, all of you. This is R. Refracted ray, wavefront perpendicular, automatically this angle also R. Look here. Okay? A. Letters తీసుకుందాం. B. Letters. C. Letter. D. A, B, C, D. In the ABCD, first I take the triangle ABC. The triangle name ABC. In the triangle ABC, this is angle. ABC triangle sin I. Sin means opposite side by hypotenuse side. Opposite side is BC. Hypotenuse means more length, that is AB. Equation number 1. Okay. Similarly, sin R. Okay, Nana, sin R. Sin R means opposite side AD whole by AB. Equation number 2. In the situation, first to write equation 1 whole by equation 2. In the right side, look here, left side, sin I by sin R. Right side, AB cancel. Simply BC by AD. In the situation, I use whole by T because time cancel. Distance traveled by time is called velocity. In the medium, light velocity is V1. Simply distance by time is called velocity. Here, AD by T is called V2. Look here now. Because in the medium change, velocity change. We know that ray optics refractive index inversely proportional to velocity of the medium. In the situation, look here all of you, sin I by sin r equal to right side, mu inversely proportional to v. Here v1 by v2 write as mu 2 by mu 1, mu 2 by mu 1. Look here all of you, here cross multiply, simply mu 1 into sin I equal to mu 2 into sin r. This is called Snell law in the optics. By using Huygens principle or by using wavefront, we proved Snell law. Okay, look here all of you. In your own manner, please write running notes. Here, this is the light ray, this is light ray. In the situation, these are parallel beam incident rays. Here, this is the diameter of the incident beam. Next, look here all of you. In the situation, here ray is refracted, angle of refraction or angle of incidence I. Here also ray is refracted. This is R. In the situation, this is called diameter of the refracted beam. This can be calculated. Look here all of you. The question is, this is diameter of the incident beam. Incident beam, this is diameter of the refracted beam. This is the question. Diameter of the refracted beam can be determined. In the situation, this is ray, this is wavefront. So simply in the previous class, this is what? R. In the situation, the triangle name ABC, this point acts as a D. Here, first I take the triangle ACB. In the ACB, identi opposite, identi adjacent, identi hypotenuse. Adjacent side undi ante cos I taken. Cos means adjacent side by hypotenuse side. Adjacent side is D, hypotenuse side is AB. Equation number 1. Next triangle name ADB. In the situation, cos R is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is D dash, hypotenuse side is AB. Equation number 2. In the situation to determine D dash. So that's why equation 2 by equation 1. What is the equation 1? Cos I. Equation 1 D by AB. AB cancel. Finally write cos R by cos I equal to, look here, D dash by D. What is the diameter of the refracted beam? Diameter of the incident beam into cos R by cos I. This is the formula, very useful to solve the problems in JEE mains and advanced. Look here, what is the D dash? D dash is the diameter of the refracted beam. D is diameter of the incident beam. This is the formula, please write down.